Hi everyone, my name is Ria. Welcome to my channel, Juuusst Ria. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a haul, one big ass mother flipping haul. And I say it like that because I haven't done a haul since last year, so it's been a while. So let's just get into this video. Also, I hope by the end of this video, if you're not part of the Diva Squad, you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the Diva Squad. And also share this video if you like, and don't forget to drop the thumbs up. Now let's just get into it to see how I created, to see what products I hauled to create this look. I went to Ulta and I grabbed the Benefit Brow in the shade 6. And I got that for Ulta and it wasn't on sale or anything. So it was $24 plus tax for me, $26.40. So that's what my total came out to be. So the next thing that I applied was the Touch and Soul, and it is their no problem primer. And I have been wanting to try this so bad, but I didn't want to wait on shipping. And luckily, when I went into my local TJ Maxx, I saw it there, and it was I was lucky enough to get it on sale for $9.99. So that was definitely a steal for me. My next product that I used is the kevynaucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer in the shade SX13. And you guys, I have to say, I'm becoming to love this concealer. You guys know me. You know I've struggled with these eyes watering, my concealer moving, and I'm always having to pat. Well, I have not, since I've been using this, I have not had to pat or had to deal with any concealer moving whatsoever. So I'm telling you in this video that if you are having the same issue as I was having, then definitely check out the kevynaucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer Concealer. I have a video coming up for it, so look out for it. It was supposed to be up this past Friday, but I'm not through with the editing, so just bear with me. But it will be up, if not this week, this weekend. Next thing that I got this online from the kevynaucoin website, and it was 30% off because I was in his live and he had a code. And that was the only reason I bought it, because it retails for $48 and I got this. Yeah, I got it for like $35. So the next thing that I hauled would be from Beautylish. I have the Natasha Denona Sculpting Powder in the shade Deep, which is 05. And I have to say, I really like the way that it applied. I didn't have to do much blending. It kind of just melted right into my skin. So I really, really am liking this product a lot. Along with that purchase, I got the Charlotte Tilbury Matte Bronzing Filter. I got this from Beautylish. I don't remember the prices, so I'm gonna pop them up on the screen, what I got from Beautylish. And it's the Airbrush Bronzer. And I got this in the shade Deep. Everything is in the shade Deep that I got, so I don't have to keep saying it. But you guys, it really sets the tone right above the contour and around. So I like to, as you can see, I put the concealer on first, but I didn't blend it out. I put the contour on and then I put the bronzer on and blended the bronzer into the contour. And then I'm gonna set it, and then I'm gonna blend out the concealer, the kevynaucoin concealer, into the bronzer to kind of give it this gradient effect that you see. And that's how I ended up with that effect. The next thing that I used was the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Under Eye Setting Powder. And I got it in the shade Deep. And you guys, it really works splendidly with the kevynaucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer Concealer. It's a great pair. And I'm assuming because it's luxury and luxury, because I've tried it before and I concealed with, no, I set it with Shiseido, and it was not a good like it didn't end well. Let's just say that. So I need something that's really going to blur and that's really going to set and hold that oil through. And it's been doing a pretty good job of that. And I'm hot, so you guys, nothing has come through this powder at all. So the next thing that I used was the Charlotte Tilbury Cheek to Chick in the shade Climax. And I just applied it to the cheek area where I like my blush to sit. And it also gave like a good natural highlight glow as well. So I feel like I didn't need any highlight. This was kind of a makeup, no makeup look. And the blush really did put the finishing touches on the look, I feel, for me, because I didn't have to, it's not overpowering glow. It's like a natural glow. So I'm really liking that product as well. And that was with the Beautylish. I also got the Airbrush Flawless Finish in the shade Deep, and I put that all over the face. So Charlotte Tilbury, Natasha Denona, all of that came from Beautylish, Pat McGrath, and Too Faced. I got Too Faced. And I got Too Faced Born This Way multi-use complexion powder and the shade Spice Rum. And what I did was, at the end of everything, I noticed that I still hadn't concealed this good enough. So I just put I lightly dusted over the top of my lip to blur the hyperpigmentation out, and it did a wonderful job. I will be trying this as an all over face powder, but I didn't do it in this video for a reason. I wanted to try the Charlotte Tilbury, so I will be using this in the next video, next makeup video that I do. The next thing that I hauled was I got this from TJ Maxx as well, and it's the MAC Lippy in Honey Love, and it retailed at TJ Maxx for $7.99. So I grabbed that with the quickness because it was the only one left. Only one in that color. So that concludes my haul. I hope that you enjoy this video and the demonstration tutorial that I added into the video as well. And make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.